How to fix camera not focusing in Realme C53 or C55. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the option camera. Now click on camera and then here you can force stop your camera. Now click on force stop and then again click on force stop. After force stop a camera, then go back to your home screen and open camera. Now on top right corner you can see these three lines. Now click on it and then click on settings. Now scroll down and here you can see the option restore defaults. Now click on it and then again click on restore. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.